In today's world, it's important to stay connected, no matter where you go. That's why your Genesis allows for seamless pairing and operation of your Bluetooth device. Pairing your Bluetooth device is quite simple, but you must be in park and no other Bluetooth devices can be connected to the vehicle. When you are ready to pair your device, select Home on the navigation screen and then select Phone. If no devices have been paired, the pairing process will begin automatically. If you already have devices paired to the vehicle, then select Add New Device. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your phone. First, go to your mobile device's Bluetooth pairing screen. Search for and select the vehicle name on the screen. The default name will be the model of your Genesis vehicle. Authorize the registration on your Bluetooth device. You may need to enter the authorization passkey. A message may pop up requesting access to the contacts and call history on your device. You can choose to deny or allow this. For non-Apple devices, another message may pop up requesting access to the messages on your device. You can choose to deny or allow this. However, you must allow this to enable access to the messaging features in the Genesis. For Apple devices, you must enable notifications inside your device itself. Please consult with your device manufacturer for instructions on how to do so. To make or receive calls, you have several options. On the left spoke of the steering wheel, you'll find the Call Answer button and the Call End button. These can be used to answer or end incoming phone calls. You can also use the navigation to answer incoming calls. When a call is incoming, the pop-up message will appear on screen. Here, it presents you with options. Accept will answer the call. Reject will reject the call. Non-Apple devices may show a message option. Message will reject the call and allow you to send a preset message of your selection. The message pop-up screen gives you a choice of 4 predefined messages you can send. Select the desired message and press Send. Depending on your device, messaging will be supported in different ways. For Apple devices that support Apple CarPlay, simply hook up the phone to the car via a USB cable to the media port. Consult your owner's manual for information on which USB port is the media port for your Genesis model. Messages will then be conveyed via the CarPlay application. For all other devices, ensure that you allowed access on the device to your messages. In addition, if your device has a setting that allows you to show or not show notifications, select Show Notifications. When a message is received, a notification will pop up on the screen. Here, you can view the message if you are not driving. You can also have it read to you or close the pop-up. Messages will remain in the message folder until read. Once the message is read to you, or you have read the message, you can respond to the message with a voice-to-text message. Press the microphone button to dictate the message. You can also send one of 4 preset messages as a reply. Select Reply, then you will see a choice of 4 predefined messages you can send. Select the desired message and press Send. The predefined messages for text messages and rejected calls can be customized. To do so, make sure the vehicle is parked. Go to Setup, then select Bluetooth. Then Predefined Messages. Then select either text messages or rejected calls. Then select the message you wish to modify. Then you can type in your new message. As you can see, the phone and media device interface in your Genesis is very versatile and customizable. For more on connecting, disconnecting, and using your Bluetooth device with your Genesis, consult your owner's manual.